bit of a history about Cadvision. So I'm Julian Markarian, I'm the president of the company. And Cadvision is active in the additive manufacturing market for the last 22 years. Cadvision was born with the idea to bring right vision to the customers about all they can do with the additive manufacturing technologies. Application that can be covered could be for the metal manufacturing as well as polymer manufacturing. And the target markets can be any kind of industrial market and also, of course, the medical markets. Cadvision is the best French advocate for DM, desktop metal technologies, because that's the broadest and the best portfolio in the additive manufacturing sector. So we currently cover a broad range of products from Team DM. It starts from the polymer technologies, mainly with the ETEC brand and also the Desktop Health brand. And it goes to the metal additive manufacturing solutions that Desktop Metal is offering, and especially with the shop system and the studio system. The unique selling points of the ProXL machine, so really it's that it's an affordable machine. It's easy to use, but also capable of using very high quality materials and very advanced materials. The size of the machine, it's big enough to fulfill the usual requirements related to polymer parts at an affordable price again.
I'm Manon, I'm working for Cadvision during maybe 6 years ago right now, and I'm the business manager in the north of France. Our customer Makerman is a manufacturer of special and tailor-made machines in the wine sector and more particularly in Champagne. ProXL machine to replace different parts made with CNC machining. Today we are going to focus on two parts topologies. For this application, the customer used e-rigid foam resin. The ProXL machine is the perfect machine for my customer because they need to print large parts with good precision so as not to need to carry out post-processing such as machining or sanding after printing. The final customer specification was an easy-to-use equipment since it was the first time they had worked with a 3D printer. All these parts are used in production on special tailor-made machine for the wine estates, around 20 parts per year depending on customer orders. This part can now also be manufactured on demand for after-sales service as a spare part at lower cost and just in a few hours. In 2021, our loyal customer Edalis wants to upgrade its machine fleet with the DLP technology. They invest in two ETEC Cadvision 1 3D printers to overcome the problem of printing speed, surface finish and resistance. Thanks to ETEC's DLP resin technologies, Edalis was able to gain flexibility on the handle, reduce the effort to handle the torch and acquire greater mobility to access restrictive areas.
So what's next for Cadvision? It's about moving quick with DM on their new additive manufacturing technologies. It includes the Extreme 8K machine. You can see it as a bigger version of the ProXL system. So that's a key product for the future that will open a lot of markets. It's also about the Desktop Health products, as we want to expand in the dental markets and also the various medical markets that we can cover with the machine.